Good morning. It is time for the eSkills public workshop, instructional story design. I'm so excited to meet these instructional designers right here in Geneva. Let's get our story on. This is day 10. But first, let me do a little flashback to yesterday. I got to meet the eSkills team, and I think that you're gonna really enjoy seeing them and also the work that they're doing with stories. Hey, I just got off the bus in Geneva and I am walking to my hotel. It's about a 20-minute walk, but this is a cool and exciting place to be. You can see the big fountain behind me. Lots of activity, cool and exciting. And this river is like, you ever seen a river that color? That's crazy. Here I am at the building where I'm about to meet the eSkills team. Can't wait. And I've got a little ginger cola to go with me.
One day I read this book and it did resonate so much with what we do at eSkills. We love telling stories because stories call emotions. It's so much powerful.
This is Manu. Hello, Manu. And she is creating graphics using Procreate. They look great.
On y va?
Attends, je mets des gants.
Tu sais qu'on n'en a pas besoin.
Ouais, moi j'en mets. Ça coûte rien et c'est plus sûr.
Non, vraiment, c'est pas plus sûr. Et puis.
Quoi?
Bah, ça coûte rien.
Quoi? Oh, tu vas encore faire une transition.
Eh oui. Transition, s'il vous plaît. Transition, s'il vous plaît.
So one thing I like in my job is when we have a meeting with a stakeholder and we ask him or her to tell a story about his work, about his daily life and work. They like to be heard, and it's a really nice relation that you can have with your stakeholder.
eSkills is producing some pretty wonderful courses, and they've got a really cool office too. They've even got a piñata. And allow me to introduce you to George. This is George. Hey, this is the eSkills team. It's so great to be with them today. Are you guys ready for the workshop tomorrow? Yes! Let's tell some stories. I am so excited to see a learning and development company like eSkills approaching every e-learning project with story at the centerpiece. They're involving the stakeholder in storytelling from the very beginning. The first thing that they're thinking about when they get into the design stage is, what's the story? And then they are maximizing that story to give the learner opportunities to critically think about the story and solve problems based on the story. I mean, that is instructional story design. Well done, eSkills. Because you guys are doing it. You're doing it. I still want to know what that piñata is all about.
That summer, I took this book with me, Instructional Story Design by Red Green.
All right, we're at the lunch break, and so far this morning we have covered the discover stage, getting into design now. You can see the story design model right here. And these guys are phenomenal. You can see their work up here. They've been creating action lists. And this is a very cool space. So part 2 is coming.
Okay, start. I see that you had a new incident this week. What happened? He leaves and come back and...
Thanks for sharing. Wow.
Hey, I've just gotten out of the workshop with the eSkills team, and I'm waiting for the train to go back to the hotel. And man, it was so fun. We had such a great time. They are so thoughtful and hardworking, and by the end, but they got practice with each one of the steps in the process, and couldn't be more happy. One of the things I loved about this group is that they were so thoughtful in their answers, and they challenged when they didn't understand, and kept asking questions until we got to a clear understanding of the process. So if you are a person who delivers a lot of workshops, leave a lot of time in your session within each section of your workshop to give people time to think things through, ask questions, and get the answers that they need so they feel confident in moving on to the next step. That is it for day number 10. What an exciting day. And tomorrow I will leave Geneva to go back to Berlin and start my journey home.